Good afternoon, dear student. I am Rumana Ansari, faculty of Modern Group of Institution at Indore. Today, I am going to explain about programming languages. Let's understand the concept of program. A program is a set of instructions that is given to a computer system to perform some task. If you want some output, if you want to perform some task, we need to give the input or we need to give some instruction in the form of program, and that programs are used in a programming languages. Programming language is a computer language that is used by the programmer or developer to communicate with a computer. It is a set of instruction written in any specific language, like we use Hindi or English languages to communicate with the person. Similarly, we need to use programming languages to communicate with the computer. Here are some uses of programming languages. We use programming languages in our daily life to perform some activity like payment, gaming, entertainment, and it is very easy to use. We need to just learn these languages. We can use these languages to design the website, to design the software. It is very easier and faster learn. Some types of programming languages. Programming languages are categorized into three categories: low level language, middle level language, and high level language. Low level language further classified into two parts: machine language, assembly language. Middle level language having category C language, and high level language are so many languages: COBOL, Pascal, C++, Python, Java, .NET. So many languages are with high level language. Low level language is a programming language that provide little or no abstraction of programming concept. It is very close to written actual machine instruction. The example of low level language are assembly language and machine language. Machine language. Machine language is a language which is understood by the computer, because computer understand only machine language. Computer understand only 0 or 1 digits. Assembly language. Assembly language is a programming language that can be used to directly tell the computer what to do. Assembly language is most like machine language, but assembly language can use some codes, some mnemonic words, some alphabets, some short forms, some special character like hash, @. It is easier to machine language. Middle programming language. Middle programming language is a basic language, which is general purpose language, and it is used to develop the softwares, operating system, databases, compiler, and so many things. High level languages. Most of the time high level languages are used to develop the website and design the softwares. High level language is very close to human beings, because human can easily understand the alphabetical language, English language, but human cannot understand the machine language like 0, 1, 1. It is very difficult to learn, difficult to execute, and difficult to memorize. So high level language can be used by the human being. Thank you.